So for this question, it tells us an arithmetic progression has common difference d. Third term of this progression is 10. Part A says write down expressions for the first term and the second term of this progression. Give your answers in terms of d only. So we know the third term as 10 is equals to a plus 3 minus 1 d. So that would be 10 equals to a plus 2d. So a is our first term, so that would give us 10 minus 2d. And for the second term, we can just simply write a plus 2 minus 1d. That would give us a. A is actually 10 minus 2d. We should write that. A is 10 minus 2d. And that would be plus d. We end up with 10 minus d. So that's your answer for 11a. For the second question, it tells us when each of the three terms is squared, the sum of the squares is 140. There are two possible values for d. So firstly, we will just square the three terms and add them up. A was 10 minus 2d, that's whole squared, plus 10 minus d whole squared, and plus 10 squared equals to 140. So that gives us 100 minus 4d plus 4d square plus 100 minus if I'm not wrong, this would be 40d, and this one would be 20d plus d square plus 100 equals to 140. So we end up with this equation, 5d square minus 60d plus 160 equals to 0. From this, if we calculate the whole thing, the answer comes as d minus 8 is equals to d minus 4 equals to 0. So d is equals to 8 and d is equals to 4. So these are the two possible values for d. So they told us to find the sum of the first 200 terms of the progression with a smaller value of d. And the smaller value of d we have here is 4. So we know the formula, sum of first 200 terms, that would give us 200 by 2, 2 into a. So a would be eventually 10 minus 2d, we had it. So 10 minus 2 into 4 plus 200 minus 1, and the d we are using is 4. That's it. So this gives us 100. 2 into 10 minus 8, that's 4 plus 199 into 4. So the final answer should be 100 into 800. So that gives us 80,000. So that's your answer for question 11, part B.